Everybody, Joey Harper here. Just got the excursion back from the shop. Figured we should start making some videos now since it didn't debut at Mikey's Fest. The excursion, a lot of you already know, with a high pressure oil pump on the way to Mikey's Fest, and we couldn't get the trailer down there. I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys. We got the excursion here. It's towing the trailer, but less customized and built. Okay, what we have here is a 38-gallon propane tank. All right, and this line here supplies our engine with liquid propane. These two here provide the two propane-powered heating units with vapor. So, and this is all less did all this stuff. We put a little wrap on here, a little green leaf to show that it's a green fuel. You come down here, see the side of it. Now this is a 24-foot long trailer. We're looking for the ultimate cleaning and restoration vehicle for all our commercial, and we were tired of bringing the box trucks and having to then bring other cars to bring all the crews. So with the excursion, that takes that out of the equation. We can load it 7 guys in there with no problem. All right, Trevor, you go ahead and open the door for us and clip the door. Okay, a little peek of the inside real quick. As you see, we had them wrap the inside of the door. You know, what we were sponsored by. All right, now sponsorship doesn't mean that they're paying us to advertise or anything like that. I just went with the companies that helped us with the build and that I trust deeply. You know, these guys were on point. So, as you can see, Judson right there up top. Eric Hilton zipper. We got Joe Brister and Wanders. He supplied us with all our custom-made hoses. And Trevor, you want to go around to the back and drop the back. We got Junior pulling up for work. We're about to go clean a school in Orlando. We'll get you guys some video of this thing actually working here in a little bit. It's about an hour and 45-minute drive for us. But here it is. The whole floor is rhino lined. Trevor, go ahead and flip that down. With diamond plate. And what we have here, we've got our hose reels, electric hose reels on both sides, all 2.5 inch, except for these little whips here, which are only 10 foot long. We run 2.5 inch to everything. All our solution line is 3/8 inch hose, so no 1/4 inch unless we absolutely need to extend it. So we're carrying 500 foot of 2.5, 500 foot of 3/8 solution line. Okay, we got dual 2.5 inch ports here for our 5 to the door setup. You can see we have our vacuum relief valve here on top, and we have our little organizing things along our E-Track system. This truck was built for actually working. So what I want to do is make sure that everything could be moved around and slid, so that way, depending on the job type we have, we can reconfigure this in minutes. Les also measured and left us room here where the D-rings are for additional vacuum hose reels, which we will throw in there when we go to the convention center. And we also have room up front for extra additional vacuum reels. Okay, as we go into where the magic happens, as you see, we got our zipper SS's here. One's in the plate here. One isn't in the holding tray here. We have the other holding tray, just haven't figured out exactly where I want to bolt it yet. So for right now, we're using gear ties up to our custom built shelf. Now this is wood, and it's a big shelf, but we had it rhino lined along with everything else to make it indestructible. And as you see with the E-Track system, this will unclip and I can move the shelf anywhere across the E-Track system. So again, there's the zipper SS. We got our Orbot here. We have our T-Rex for whenever we need that. Now we have our propane fill hose, so if we're in a bind, we're working a hurricane or something, and we can't do a propane fill station, we can fill our propane on our own. So we keep our chemicals up here to the right, anything we're going to be using. We keep it a couple blowers up here. We figured out with the velos or a low profile blower, we can get anywhere from 15 to 20 up there stacked, you know, no problem. Underneath here, we have more D-rings, so we have a winch for if ever we need it. With the D-rings, we've been putting our dehumidifiers under there. So far, we know we can hold 12 LGR dehumidifiers just underneath the shelf there, and then we can strap them all in with all the D-rings and little holes that are made here, so nothing goes sliding around the whole time. Now here's the beautiful piece here.